Look at this cool, funky looking exit sign. That's kind of nifty. Yeah, look at this. Oh yeah, this will be the elevator at the US Steel building in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Okay. Original Westinghouse from 1970, at least. I bet you all the elevators in the Steel Plaza building used to look just like this originally.
Probably. They're always old as dirt.
Yeah. Select-O-Matic.
Yeah.
Mark IV. Let's go up to the UL. Alright, some guy's going to yell at me for going up there at least. Okay, there's going to be a security guard waiting outside here, I'm pretty sure. Oh, going down? Okay, what floor?
You coming out?
No.
Oh, you're going down, okay.
I'm just recording the elevators. Okay. I'm gonna do red level. I'm sorry, I'm into like elevators.
Okay.
It's kind of weird hobby.
Everybody has
Yeah.
their own hobbies.
I would like to try to ride the high-rise elevators in this place.
They're crazy. Feels like they're crazy. You don't want to do that.
We're going down further.
We're going down one more, yeah.
Yeah, you just hit lower lobby.
Yeah, no, I'm going to that one there. I think it stops here anyway.
It does automatically.
Yeah, I saw that at, it's the same thing at like Gateway Center in some of their buildings. Like, the service elevators and stuff, they stop on the first level.
Yeah, no matter what.
Yeah. I wonder why. Is it like some sort of security measure?
I would think it's security.
Okay.
That'd be
Here we go, blue level.
All right, blue level.
I bet you these were the original parking garage elevators. This was the original parking garage elevator in the building before they put those ones in.
I'm sure you're probably right.
Okay.
Thanks.
Take care. She was nice. There we go. You're on the red parking level. Check the time, 11:13. I guess I don't have to be out until like 4:30. So I still got plenty of time. Red level parking. Let's go up to, I guess it auto calls it to the lower lobby at least. And of course there's these Schindlers that were added in later, I'm guessing in probably the 90s or early 2000s for some reason. Maybe more elevators. Okay. You're up on the lower lobby. Good shop. Let's see, should I risk going up to UL? I don't know. It's locked. Okay, let's go back down to red level. It's locked. It's weird. It'd just be open by then, Like the thing is, you're up down on the red level, which is, hey, look at these fixtures. Original Type A or AE fixtures from 1970 or 69, 70. Yep, see, it just automatically calls it to LL. So, I'm kind of sorry about that. I kind of accidentally cut off the camera for a second. Okay, you're up on LL. Do I want to go to the Strip District to get something to eat? Maybe not. Right on. So yeah, that's probably the only original elevator in this whole building. I guess it's on peak up or up peak. Peak up, whatever the frick it's called. And that'll be it.